This is just a short video about the different types of circuits and their differences. Check out my other videos for more details on the behaviour of current and potential difference in series and parallel. There are two different types of electrical circuit, series and parallel. Series circuits are composed of just one loop of wire. This means that there's only one path for the current to follow. The main disadvantage of this type of circuit is that if there's a break, all the components will stop working at once. Fairy lights used to be designed in this way. When one bulb blew, it would be a total nightmare, all the others would turn off as well. You'd have to check each bulb individually to find out the source of the problem. Not the best design. The advantages of series circuits is that there are less wires, so less power losses, and all components can be turned off at once, instead of using individual switches. Now most fairy lights are designed and made in parallel. A parallel circuit is composed of more than one loop of wire. This means that the current can follow different pathways. The main benefit of this is that if there's a break in the circuit, the rest of the components will still continue to work, because current still has a pathway to follow. However, there are more power losses because more wires are required, and each of these bulbs will be individually controlled by their own switch. In summary, series circuits have only one pathway for current to flow and are useful when we want to control all the components at once. Parallel circuits have more than one pathway for current to travel and are useful when we want to individually control each component.